9.8. Newsstand. All right, man. Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Rob Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, modern day treasure hunter, and a full-time reseller. And today, we got part 2 of our CGC unboxing. If you guys haven't seen the last video, I'll put a link right here, up here for it, so you guys can watch the video. But we actually opened up a box of 25 books. We split it in 2 separate videos, so the video won't be too long. We did really well, I'd say, with that box. Mostly 9.8s, 9.6s throughout the whole thing. So hopefully we'll continue this, and hopefully it's a lot higher grades this time around. As always, I will show you guys first. You guys can get my reaction. And in the bottom corner here, I'll keep a running tab of what these books are valued at. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're into unboxings, reselling content. I help a lot of people, show them tips and tricks how they can actually help pay for their hobby. So please like the video, subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm for us. But let's jump into that first book right now. We got these in the last box. I sent in 3 of the Beavis and Butthead #1s. Now the last 2 were 9.6s. This one looks in the best condition from the back side I can see. So I'm hoping I get at least a 9.8. What do we get? 9.6. Damn it. Man. I was hoping for at least one of these to be a 9.8, man. They all come back in 9.6s. Just see a little corner in this one. Why is this one a 9.6? I mean, all white covers in the back are difficult to get a high grade on, but I mean, this thing looks mint perfect. See one little spine tick, maybe 2. There we go. I see. All right, a couple of spine ticks on there. You couldn't see them unless you turned in the light, but New Avengers #7. This is actually my buddy's book he sent in. He sent these in anticipation for the Doctor Strange movie, and unfortunately, we didn't get these out back in time. This is the first appearance of Illuminati. It's probably 9.6, 9.8. What do we get? 9.6. Yeah, first appearance of Illuminati. If you guys seen the Doctor Strange movie, you guys know what I'm referring to. So, 9.6, white pager from 2005. Secret Wars #6 newsstand. All right. Perfect time to get back all my Secret Wars stuff right now because they announced that the Secret Wars is coming in 2023. This is a newsstand, so I'm hoping for a high grade on this one. I mean, it looks probably a 9.6. See a little corner nick in the back. What do we get? 9.6. Absolutely love this cover, man. With Dr. Doom right up front there. 9.6, can't complain. Book's from 1984. The book is almost 40 years old, so get a high grade 9.6 on a newsstand. I'll take that. Another newsstand, #10, Marvel Secret Wars. I'm assuming this will be a 9.6 too, since the last one was a 9.6. Came from the same lot, so what did we get? 9.6 newsstand. I love this cover with the Dr. Doom on there in the front of it like that. What a cool looking cover. It's from 1985. Newsstand, 9.6. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Excalibur. I think this is the special one-off. This is my buddy's book, if I'm not mistaken. Man, there's a ton of color rub in the back of this book. Yeah, I don't expect him to get a high grade on this one. Maybe 9.0, 9.2. What do you get? 9.2. I mean, the front of it looks great. But this is Excalibur Special Edition from 1987. This is going in his personal collection, so he wanted to send this one in. But the back has a bunch of cover up. These all black covers are very difficult to get a high grade on. All right. Cable number 1. Cable number 1. Once again, this is my buddy's book. It's for his personal collection. I don't know, this might even be his childhood book. So, probably got a 9.6, 9.4. What do you get? 9.6. You will be happy with that. So, Cable number 1 from 1993. I think this is his first single title. But let's go to my buddy's personal collection. He's a huge X-Men fan, so. Oh, Jesus. All right, this is Moon Knight number 4. It's a newsstand. Back looks mint, but there is a little, might be a little manufacturer error in the back of this, but my last one got a 9.6, so I'm assuming this is going to be a 9.6. I'm hoping for 9.8, but what do we get? 9.6. Yeah, there's a little color rub at the top here. Moon Knight number 4 and a 9.6 from 1989. This is Flash number 1 from 1987. This is, I think, volume 2 or volume 3. This is a newsstand. It's number 1. I sent this in because it's number 1. It's in really good condition. The way I was hoping a 9.8, but the way my box is going, this is probably a 9.6. Flash number 1. I sent this out in anticipation that his new movie's gonna be coming out, I think next year. What do we get? 9.8. Newsstand. All right, man. I am happy with that. 9.8 from 1987. Can you believe this book actually sat on a newsstand in 1987? No bag, no board to protect it. Someone bought that, took it into home in their collection, kept it in their collection for 35 years, and then was sent off and still got a 9.8. Crazy to think about like that, but happy about that. Batman 500s. Oh, there's a spine tick on the back here, so this is definitely not getting a 9.8. Oh, looks like a 9.6 in this guy. What do we get? 9.6. I am happy with that. 9.6. This is with Batman's costume here. A lot of people like this costume on Batman. Love the cover. Batman 500. Standing over top of Bane. A 9.6. 2 or 3 books left. Alpha Flight number 51. Back looks good. Man, these bright yellow covers are hard to get high grade as well, especially the white back. From 1987, Alpha Flight number 51. Hoping a 9.8, probably a 9.6. 9.8. This is great, man. This is actually the first public work for Jim Lee at Marvel Comics. So, all Jim Lee fans, this is his first work there. Must have for your collection. Alpha Flight number 51 and 9.8. All right, we got 2 books left. I think the last 2 books are my buddies. No. What the heck? Is there more books in here? Oh, maybe not. Okay. What do we got here? Secret Wars number 9, newsstand. Corner has a little nick on it, probably a 9.6. Hoping for a 9.8, but we'll see. What do we get? 9.6. Marvel Heroes Secret Wars number 9, newsstand 9.6. So I can't complain. Got a high grade on a newsstand. Hoping for 9.8, that's why I sent it in. But This is Deadpool number 94. Okay, this was the actual comic book I was thinking about. This is actually in my buddy's personal collection from 1994. I'm assuming he's going to get a 9496. He had this since he was a kid. That's why he wanted to send in for his PC. What do we get? 9.4. Kind of figured it would. But, yeah, 9.4. He had this sitting around since 1994. He personally bought this. So he will be happy with a 9.4. Not as good as my previous unboxings. You know, we got one 9.4, we got 9.6. We really didn't get many 9.8s, man. So Alpha Flight 9.8, Batman got a 9.6. I am actually really excited and really happy about this. Flash getting a 9.8. But the rest of these 9.6. Cable's a 9.6. Excalibur is 9.2. All my Secret Wars, every single one of them came back 9.6s. So, 9.8, I'm sorry, 9.6, and another 9.6. You know, so Beavis and Butthead, what are you gonna do? But overall, man, still not a bad turnout. Got a bunch of 9.6s, some 9.8 newsstands. Can't complain. Guys, if you like this type of content, please make sure you like the video, subscribe. It really does help out the channel and it helps out the algorithm. Check out this other unboxing that we just did here. And until next time, guys.